Have you recently experienced a stroke and it has been diagnosed as an ischemic stroke? Do you want to know what physical exercise can benefit you to restore mobility and improve neuroplasticity? Well, in my today's video, I will discuss some physical exercises for your shoulders, arms and hands as restorative therapy. Hello and welcome to Bharat Homeopathy. I am Dr. Madhvi Vaish and I have extensive clinical knowledge and experience in treating neurological disorders with natural and holistic treatment. So let's move on to our today's topic. See, an ischemic stroke occurs when blood supply to the part of brain is blocked or reduced. This prevents brain tissue from getting oxygen and nutrients. Brain cells begin to die in minutes. The symptoms of an ischemic stroke are trouble speaking and understanding what others are saying, numbness, weakness or paralysis in the face, arm or leg, problem seeing in one or both eyes, headache and trouble walking. But don't worry, I will tell you some exercises that you can do after a stroke. Let's begin with some shoulder exercises that will improve proper blood supply into the upper body. The first exercise is shoulder circles. Sit or stand upright. Gently move your affected shoulder in small circular motion. First clockwise, then counterclockwise. Do 10 rounds each direction. This improves blood flow and prevents joint locking. Now, the second shoulder exercise for stroke patient is shoulder shrugs. Sit upright. Slowly lift both shoulders toward your ears. Hold for 3 seconds and release. Repeat 15 times. It will help build stability in upper shoulder. Now, the most important and mobility improving exercise for upper limbs are arm exercises. They will help reduce stiffness and rigidity and enhance mobility over time. The first arm exercise is elbow extension. Sit with your elbow bent at 90-degree angle. Gently extend your forearm outward, then return. Use your stronger hand to assist if needed. Repeat 10 times. It helps reduce stiffness and strengthen elbow movement. Now, let's move on to our second arm exercise for stroke patients. It's gentle biceps curls. Sit on a chair, place your weaker arm on your lap. Use your stronger hand to help bend the weak arm at the elbow. Slowly straighten it back. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This will strengthen the biceps gradually. Alright, stroke majorly affects your hands. So it is very crucial to include physiotherapeutic exercises for your hands. Hand exercises improve grip and movement and reduce stiffness and rigidity. The first hand exercise for stroke patient is squeezing sponge or ball. Hold a soft sponge or stress ball, squeeze it gently for 3 seconds, then release. Repeat 15 to 20 times. It helps build grip strength. The second hand exercise is palm up and palm down. Place your hand flat on the table with your palm facing up. Now slowly turn your palm down, keeping your hand straight and then release it to its original position with your palm facing up. Repeat this at least 10 to 15 times. Alright, so I have discussed exercises for arms, shoulders and hands. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.